All right, yeah, mowers are fun, but Milwaukee chainsaws are just better.
Yeah, this is the Milwaukee Fuel M12. What is that? A 6-inch bar?
Yeah.
Little chainsaw, and there's nothing quite like it. So there's this little snack here. We're just gonna go right over the trail.
Yeah.
Where else would you put one of these?
The sweet condition.
Yeah, so here we go.
There's like nothing in there.
It could just fall down. It's not rotten enough to push over, but it is rotten. So.
Yeah, definitely not rotten enough to push over.
All right, cutting the second notch, or second part of the notch now. A notch. And then he's got to go from the back side once he gets this done.
Keep in mind, guys, we have cut like 3 and 4 cuts of that size wood.
Oh yeah, there's the top of it.
Yeah, there's the top of that.
Still on, I don't know what size. What?
It's probably 3, actually, because they don't run out very fast. If you want it to be able to do this, you need the bigger battery. You can't use those little dinky small batteries. You gotta use the big one.
And also, if we do run out of battery, we have an extra one in the vehicular vehicle. And then you just use the battery to pound out the notch when you're done cutting. All right, there we go.
Okay, well,
there's the notch.
Now she's notched. I mean,
nothing better.
Perfect. Look at that notch.
All right, now cut her from the backside. Here we go. Staying out of the
it's
way.
a little wide, but you know.
It's gonna work, trust me.
Oh, that.
It's ready. It's like.
It is so wonderful.
Watch it fall over backwards.
That would be so bad.
That would suck.
Oh yeah, it's falling that way.
Go. It's.
I'm gonna back up.
There she goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Milwaukee M12 handsaw.
With the 4.0 big battery, because you need that.
How do you tell how much?
Not
battery
sponsored.
Not sponsored.
How do you tell? Oh,
You just hit the button down here.
still on 2.
Yeah, still 2, and we've been cutting it tons of feet.
Like
6
this
feet.
is probably what, maybe a foot wide, 6-inch bar. So I mean, yeah, you can see it
It barely goes through the
barely goes to the center there, but yeah, great tool to have.
Milwaukee, sponsor us.
That was awesome.